So I've pre-prepared these 5 10-litre pots with some partially rotted horse manure at the bottom, about an inch or so, ready for the next step. And the next step is mixing up some compost to put on top of that. And what we have here is some old compost, some paper coir, and some shop bought compost and some of my own compost. I need quite a lot. This is just the first batch. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed, and I'll see what I'm going to do with it. Mixed in a few tablespoons full of bloodfish and bone. Well, let's give it a mix up. So, time to top this one up. Just straight on top of that manure. That manure is at least 6 months old, so it's not exactly rotted, but it's not fresh either. There are worm activity, so it's not like it's going to be too hot to handle. What it'll do is give a lot of vitality to this compost. And you'll see the reason for this in a minute. So let me just give that a tamp down. Okay, let's move this over so we can see what we're doing. And here's what's going in. My lettuce seedlings. I can get 3 seedlings in here. So, bonk, bonk, bonk. I mean, I haven't got anywhere to put these things, so all I can do with them. Just rescue a worm, make a space, nice, push it down. They were ready to go. They would have been better in the ground, but as I said, I'm very short for space, and for a low value crop like lettuce, no harm in it. So that's what I'll be doing for another 4 times. And now I've got to find somewhere to put it. It'll be either in, probably left in the polytunnel if I can find enough room. Hopefully these should stand back up. It's sad that I only got 2 French marigolds out of that lot there, so I'm not going to waste them. I'm going to give them some kind of possibility. So get them in with minimal disturbance if possible. Now I'm just using shop bought compost for this. I'll get a tiny more in there. Have got some more on the go. Sown them one this week, I think it was. I can't remember what day, but they haven't germinated yet. So I hope that I get some more. It's the trouble with shop bought compost. It is moist, but I'll give these a gentle water and they can go back in there. Yep, that's going to go in my pile for recycling. I'll give them a gentle watering and put them back in the greenhouse.